Welcome! Today we're making a delicious grilled vegetable sandwich that's perfect for a light yet satisfying meal. Let's get started with preparing and grilling our veggies to create this tasty, wholesome sandwich. Let's start by preparing our grilled vegetable sandwich ingredients. We need 1 medium zucchini, sliced into 1/4-inch rounds, along with 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper, both cut into strips. Grab a small eggplant, also sliced into 1/4-inch rounds, and 1 red onion, sliced into 1/4-inch rounds. We'll coat these vegetables with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. For the sandwich itself, we're using 4 slices of your favorite bread. Ciabatta, sourdough, or whole grain work well. Optionally, you can spread hummus or pesto on the bread. We'll also need half a cup of crumbled feta cheese or sliced mozzarella cheese. Add a cup of baby spinach or arugula, a tomato sliced, and some fresh basil leaves if you like. Now we're all set to start grilling and assembling our delicious sandwich. To start, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. If you're using a grill pan on the stovetop, heat it over medium-high heat as well. Preheating ensures that your vegetables cook evenly and develop those delicious grill marks. If you have a grill thermometer, aim for about 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat will help caramelize the vegetables and bring out their natural sweetness. While the grill heats up, gather and prepare your vegetables. Now let's prepare our vegetables. Take 1 medium zucchini and slice it into 1/4-inch rounds. Cut 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper into strips. Slice a small eggplant into 1/4-inch rounds, and also slice 1 red onion into 1/4-inch rounds. Place all these vegetables into a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the bowl, and then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Toss everything together until the vegetables are evenly coated with the oil and seasonings. With the grill preheated, it's time to cook the vegetables. Place them on the grill or grill pan. Arrange them in a single layer to ensure even cooking. Grill the vegetables for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, turning them occasionally. You want them to be tender and nicely charred. Keep an eye on them to prevent burning, and use tongs to turn them gently. Once they're beautifully grilled, remove them from the grill and set them aside. They'll be ready to layer in our sandwich soon. Next, let's prepare the bread. If you'd like to toast it, place the slices of your chosen bread on the grill or in a toaster. For a nice touch, grill each slice for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they're slightly crispy and golden brown. This step adds a lovely crunch and extra flavor to the sandwich. If you're using a grill, you can do this right after grilling the vegetables. Keep an eye on the bread to make sure it doesn't burn. Now it's time to assemble your sandwich. Start by spreading a layer of hummus or pesto on one side of each bread slice if you're using them. Next, layer the grilled vegetables evenly on the bread. Sprinkle half a cup of crumbled feta cheese or place slices of mozzarella cheese on top of the vegetables. Add a handful of baby spinach or arugula, followed by tomato slices. If you like, you can also add fresh basil leaves for extra flavor. Top with another slice of bread and press down gently to help everything stay together. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your sandwich. If you like, you can cut the sandwich in half to make it easier to handle. Serve it warm and savor the combination of smoky grilled vegetables with creamy cheese and fresh greens. This grilled vegetable sandwich makes a great lunch or a light dinner. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored in the fridge and enjoyed later. As we wrap up, here are a few tips to enhance your grilled vegetable sandwich. First, for extra flavor, consider marinating the vegetables in olive oil, oregano, and garlic powder for about 30 minutes before grilling. This will give them a deeper taste. If you prefer different cheese, you can substitute feta with goat cheese or mozzarella with provolone. If you're using a grill basket can help keep smaller vegetable pieces from falling through the grates. And if you want a heartier sandwich, try adding grilled chicken or tofu slices. These tips will help you create a perfectly delicious grilled vegetable sandwich. Enjoy!